Welcome back. My name is Ivica Cartello. You are watching React School for the Total Beginners. How to explain this statement? Let's get started. Here we have, this is one block. Inside block we have program. Dates is array. Here it is. This is array. Filter is method of array, and map is method of array. Filter is method of array dates, and map is method of result of filter. Result of filter is always array. Look at now, where there is no filters, we have this. And from this block, we have all output from database, all links, or we have filtered links. This simplicity of the React is the reason that people love React. Look at the brackets. Here, these yellow brackets, there is a pair here, you see, with the square around. And it means that filter method, there is a parameter or argument here in yellow parentheses. All this is a parameter of method or function filter. That parameter is arrow function. That arrow function, we create parameter date, or named it date, because it is a singular of dates. And body of that parameter, of that arrow function, is this. We have again a block. It is one program. And in that programs, in that block, at first we declare variable filters. Value, assign value or instantiate that variable with the right side of the equation. It is search params dot get, method get, and parameter filter. It means that value filter is value from web address. Value from web address. But if there is no filter in web address, like now, home, dates, there is no filters in our web address. If exclamation sign mark means no. If no filter, it is expression. No filter. There is no filter. It is expression. And if that expression is true, in the body of the if structure here, if keywords, we return true. We return true. When we return true, true is false or true. It is byte of logical byte 1 or 0. But why we write true? Because true will not be displayed on the screen. If no filter, our programs inside this block stop here. Don't go ahead. And the result of that filter is nothing. Blank screen. Blank screen in. And who must came on that place of blank screen must coming map. There is no filter. After that, after that, if no filter is true, after that there is nothing on the screen. There is a stop finished of that program. It is finished of that program in block program of that program. Our programs don't go ahead inside that block. Don't go here. Stop here. Result of that program is a blank screen in that part menu, and we have no filter. We have not filter, and what we have is this. And this part, this is dates.map, method map. There is arrow function for parameter. That arrow function, there is a parameter date. And in the body of that parameter, we have this element, React element. After what we have all value from all members of dates, of array dates. It is 3 members, and we have 3 members. When we click on dates, we have 3 members. There is no filter. There is no filter, and we have 3 members of database of array dates. If we don't go in this row, and that is case when there is a filter, our programs go here and here. And our filters, there is all members of dates which that satisfy a filter, that satisfy condition from filter, and that conditions is start with filter, and if filter is value j, if filter is value j, I have members what start with j, July, June. If filters is letter A, I have August only as output here. Now, when we have filters, we have an array. And we use a method map of array, and array is a result of filters, is array. We use map on that array because a filter don't display result, and we must use map for display, value on the screen. Map is something like a loop in other programs, and display our output on the screen. Something else about here. We have a for example, we can write this like that, and we can write else curly brackets and all these we can write like this: if-else constructions, and our programs working as usual. J A but when we have one statement, we don't need curly brackets. And again, it's working excellent. But also, we don't need have else in construction. We can have only if, and I delete else. But before of that, else, there is a two statement, and else must have curly brackets. That's one thing. Other thing is that we don't have to have both if and else in construction. If in construction we can have only if and delete else, delete that curly brackets, we have that construction. What work as usual: dates, home, dates, a. And script goes in if only. Here you see I didn't use the semicolon, and it also work and it's work without semicolon after statement, and it is also simplicity, but we like type semicolon because of our better orientation, and but we don't need a semicolon after statement in reality, but better you type semicolon. And okay, it can go in one row, and this is go here, and this is here position is better. And if there is a filter, script program don't go here but go here and go, and we don't need else. It's all about this. I think I say all what I have in plan. Thank you for watching this video.